Give it a try, my friends. 1/5 divided by 3. Oh, now the recording started. Anyways, 1/5 divided by 3. Sorry, I started talking a few minutes early. One-fifth divided by 3. All right. I don't want to see your board yet, Paisley. Remember, we give everyone an opportunity, okay? All right. I'm assuming most of us are done. So the dividend is 1/4. The divisor, you divide by the 3. So obviously this is a whole number, so I'm going to put it over 1. That's Mrs. Kneifel just does that step in her brain because that's what I do. If you can skip that, putting the 1, that's fine. But then we need to do the inverse operation of 3 over 1. So now it's 1/5 times, instead of dividing, 1 over 3, which equals 1 times 1 is 1. 3 times 5 is 15. Your answer should be 1/15. Jaden, Logan, good. Paisley, good. It should be 1/15. Not 15 wholes. It should be 1/15. Right? What?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Okay, let's try another one. All right, let's try this one. 2 divided by 1/8. 2 divided by 1/8. You did different in your book. 2 over 1. Why'd you make 1 over 2? Don't have to flip the first one. You have to flip the second one. All right. So, eyeballs on the board. I have a plain old 2 here, but I need to make it a fraction, so I need to put it over 1. So now I have 2 over 1 divided by 1/8. But I need to flip my second fraction and turn my division symbol into multiplication. So then I have 2 over 1 times 8 over 1. 2 times 8 is 16. 1 times 1 is 1. Our answer should be plain 16. So some of you got 1 over 16. 1 over 16, and that is incorrect. You did not flip your second fraction. You have to remember to flip your second fractions. Let's walk through that again. 2 over 1. But I have 1 over 8. You have to flip your second fraction. So that becomes 8 over 1. And it's multiplied instead of division. So it's 2 times 8 and 1 times 1, which is 16 over 1, which is really just 16. Okay? So your answer should have been plain 16. You have to remember to split that second fraction. Yes. Yeah, but not right now. Okay? Right now we're doing math RTI. All right, next problem. Don't forget to flip your second fraction. 1/3 divided by 4. 1/3 divided by 4. And flip your second fraction. Oh. I don't think sitting up here does you any good. I think you get more distracted up here than you do at your own desk.
It's just this one was confusing. I have to put that one not to.
You always flip the second fraction in division. Always.
I mean, like, I don't know. Sometimes it's just hard.
All right, let's give it a try. So I have my whole number. I need to put my whole number over 1, okay? I need to flip my second fraction. So now I have 1/3 times, instead of division, 1/4. So that is my new problem. 1/3 times 1/4, which equals 1/12. Your answer should be 1/12. Let me see your board. Logan, where's your picture? If I can't see you, that's not helpful. Cadence, I want to see your work. All right, next problem. Okay, ready? 5 divided by 1/4. 5 divided by 1/4.
I don't know why I just thought of that. You guys have 1 week and 1 day with me left.
With what?
1 day and 1 week with me left.
No, you're going back on Tuesday, and we don't have school Friday or Monday. So you have today, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday.
4 days left.
All right, friends. I have a whole number. I need to make my whole number a fraction. So I put 5/1. Then I need to flip my second fraction. So now I have 5/1 times, flip, 4/1. 5 times 4 is 20. 1 times 1 is 1. 20/1 is really just 20. Let me see your boards. I should see lots of 20s. Lots of 20s. All right, I'm seeing 20s. That's good. All right, next one. Our next one is 1/2 divided by 2. 1/2 divided by 2. Try again. Why didn't you flip your second fraction?
Oh my goodness.
1/2 divided by 2. Try again. 2 times 2 is not 2.
Oh yeah.
Isabella, what's up?
Could you do problems that don't have a 1 on top of the fraction? Because those are harder.
Yeah, but this is what you're doing on tonight's homework. So I'm doing the questions that you don't have to do on tonight's homework, okay? Once you get to the harder ones where you don't have the 1, we'll do those. But normally when I try to jump ahead, everyone panics and thinks they don't know how to do stuff. So we'll just wait it out, okay? All right. Would someone like to tell me what I need to do? Jaden, you want to walk me through it?
So first you will turn 2. So you do 2. So you turn 2 to 2/1.
Yep.
And then you do 1/2 times 1/2 because you can just switch it around
Gotta flip
with
it.
the answer.
And then that would equal 1/4.
Yep. So 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 2. We should have gotten 1/4. Let me see your boards, friends. I want to see your work also. I want to see your work. Looks like most of us are getting it right. All right, new one. Dun, 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 dun. All right. 1/4 divided by 6. 1/4 divided by 6.
It's hard to know where
What did you do to your wrist? What did you do to your wrist?
How did I hurt it?
What did you do to it? Yes.
Oh, last summer I broke it. I smashed one bone into a lot of pieces and I cracked it.
So why is it hurting today?
Because sometimes if I still hit it, it still hurts. And usually Mom makes me carry my cast and I look bad.
I didn't forget.
Paisley, you want to walk us through it?
So, you're going to leave 1/4 and you're going to change your division sign to a multiplication sign because it's multiplicative inverse. And then you're going to flip the whole number. So it's going to be 1/6 instead of 6/1 because 6 equals 6/1. And then you're going to do 6 times 4, your denominators, and that equals 24. And then you're going to times your numerators, 1 times 1, and that equals 1. And your answer is 1/24.
You did a good job explaining that. Your answer should be 1/24. You got the wrong answer in this book. 1/24. Show me your boards. That's a good job, Paisley. Thank you for explaining that so well. 1/24. Good job, my furry friends. No problem. Nine divided by 1/2.
Sound like you're on Broadway.
Divided by 1/2.
It does seem like I'm looking.
How do you write cursive?
Cursive what?
This.
This. 9 divided by 1/2. You didn't do it.
Oh, yeah.
All right, furry friends. Who would like to Ethan, your hand is up. You want to walk us through it?
So first you would do 9/1, which is just 9, and then you would do the multiplicative inverse on 1/2, and then make it 2/1 or 2, and then 9 times 2 equals 18.
Yep. So our answer should just be plain 18. 18. Let me see your boards. Let me see your boards. I'm seeing lots of 18s. That's good.
18.
All right, Ethan, put yourself back on mute. Good job. Thank you for explaining that.
I have a problem.
What?
1/6 divided by 8.
Okay. All right, 1/6 divided by 8. I repeat, 1/6 divided by 8. Isabella, would you like to walk us through it? Okay. Tell me what to do, ma'am.
Okay, so first you have to make 8 a fraction, so put 1 under it.
Okay.
And then use the multiplicative, I don't know how to say it, inverse. And then switch. Yeah. And then it'll be 1 over 48.
Yep. 1/48. Let me see your boards, friends.
Here's my board.
Woohoo. Okay. I'm going to read you a word problem now, okay? Ready? So you got to listen for the numbers. Sean divides 8 cups of granola. 8 cups of granola into 1/4 cup servings. So how many servings does he have? 8 cups of granola divided into 1/4 cup servings. How much granola does he have? Or how many servings was he able to get out of that granola? There's only 2 numbers here, so. So I have 8 cups of granola, and I'm splitting my 8 cups of granola into 1/4 cup servings. Landon Rebus, your hand was up. Is your volume going to work for you to walk us through it? No, your volume's not working. Oh, now it is. Okay. What do I do?
You write out the problem, and then
What is my problem?
8 divided by 1/4.
Yep.
So,
Hold on.
Then you
Yep. Okay, keep going. Sorry. Don't mind me.
put a 1 over 8, or I meant under,
Yep, I got it. I knew what you meant.
times 1/4.
Oh, we got to flip our fraction though. So when we make the times, then it's 4/1, right? Because we have to flip that second fraction. So then we do the multiplicative inverse, which is when we change our division symbol to multiplication. 4/1. 8 times 4 is 32. 1 time, oh, I wrote a 5, not a 2. 1 times 1 is 1. So our answer should just be 32. So he was able to get 32 servings of granola. I'm seeing correct answers. 32 servings of granola. Good job. All right, let's do another word problem. Never mind. Let's not do another word problem. Let's just do another problem. All right, try this one, friends. 1/6 divided by 5. I want to see all correct answers, friends. 1/6 divided by 5. I want someone who hasn't already worked through one. All right, Michaela's going to talk us through the problem. Tell me what to do, Michaela.
1/6 divided by 5 and you put 1/6 times 1/5.
Why do we do that though? Because originally it was 5/1, and then we do the whatever that big old word is, multiplicative inverse, so then it becomes 1/5. Then what do we do, Michaela?
And then you times 6 by 5, and 1 times 1 equals 1/3.
Yep, then we multiply them straight across. 1/30th.
30th.
1/30th. Woohoo! Woohoo! You guys are smart cookies today. I'm seeing so many right answers. All right. All right, this is a mixed number. Turn it into an improper fraction. Let's just review real quick. Mixed number. Turn it into an improper fraction.
Who's that?
My mom.
Why do you look behind you? It was a joke.
Yes.
Use the marker. This is what you do. You literally just spin it a couple times. And it like goes on there.
Evan, I feel like you're not focused on math though, bud.
I am.
No.
I am.
All right. So, how do we do this? Of course, we do the denominator times whole number, which is 40, plus the numerator, which is 44/8. Let me see your board. 44/8 should be our answer.
A lot of knees.
44/8. All right, good.
There's only 8 billion people in the world.
All right, now I have an improper fraction. Turn it into a mixed number for me. I have an improper fraction. Turn it into a mixed number for me. We can't leave it 37/4 because that doesn't make sense. So what do we got to do?
I'm not doing it.
Mia, what's up?
I just wanted to know if I could work out the problem.
Yes, in 1 minute. Let's give everyone a few more seconds. Then you can do it for us.
This one was a little harder, but I don't think I got it right.
If you have 5 left over, how did you get a 4?
It's 4 goes on the 5 one time.
So then it wouldn't be 8. Yep. All right, Mia, walk us through it, ma'am. Pay attention, Mia. Or pay attention. Your name.
So you're going to do 37 divided by 4.
Yep.
4 can go into 37 9 times.
9
And
times.
that would be 36. And then when you subtract, you get 1 left over. So it would be 9 1/4.
Yep, 9 1/4. Okay, you were close. 9 1/4. 9 1/4.
What did you say about me before?
I wanted you to pay attention so you could see how to do it. All right, furry friends. Technically, we still have 5 minutes left, but Mrs. Knifel's brain is hurting on math. I hope your guys' is too. You guys did a really good job today, and I saw way more right answers than I saw wrong answers. So don't leave yet. You still have 5 minutes till the other classes are done. So that means in the meantime, maybe you could get out your math homework and work on that, or go on your NWE pathway. If you didn't do your extra math, do that, or you could always read a book for just that 5 minutes, okay? Good job today, guys. You may leave me. Evan, stop spinning that. Okay, put it away.